गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम स्टेनो टाइपिस्ट 2019 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। डायरेक्शंस क्वेश्चन 16 to 20 चूज द करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड। 16 बी कम्युनिकेशन COMMUNICATION। जो मैं आपको आंसर्स बताऊंगी वो अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑफिशियल आंसर की हैं। 17 सी डायमेंशन DIMESION। 18 applause BAPPLAUSE। 19 see immediately IMMEDIATELY। 20 a privilege PRIVILEGE। Directions question 21 to 25 choose the word out of the four alternatives best meaning। 21 agrarian B pertaining to land। Eradicate C remove। Auspicious A favorable। Bombastic B loud mouthed। Penurious A poor। Directions question 26 to 30 you have to tell the opposite of the meaning। 26 reasonable D illogical। 27 ultimate C immediate। Sundry D few। Significant B inadequate। Prolonged B short। Directions question 31 to 35 you have to tell the meanings of the idioms। 31 to lead up the garden path D to mislead। 32 to come to terms A to make an agreement। Question 33 in a whirl D confusion। To pine one's faith upon D to depend। 35 alas the day C unhappy day। Directions question 36 to 40 it's good idea to agree dash boss most of the time B with। it's a good idea to agree with boss most of the time। Question 37 the whole dash city was burning D no preposition needed। it is time for you to dash home A go। it is time for you to go home India believes in tolerance not dash in acceptance not rejection D bigotry। you must dash hard work if you want a promotion A put in। you must put in hard work if you want a promotion। अब हिंदी के क्वेश्चंस हैं। डायरेक्शंस क्वेश्चन 41 से 45 शुद्ध शब्द चुनिए। 41 सी अनुसरण। 42 बी पूज्य। 43 ए संतुष्ट। 44 डी दीक्षा। 45 ए विशिष्ट। निर्देश प्रश्न 46 से 50 सही समास चुनिए। 46 बेहद ए अवयवी भाव। 47 पाप मुक्त ए तत्पुरुष। धर्मार्थ डी द्वंद्व समास। चतुरानन बी बहुब्रीहि। 50 मनचाहा सी तत्पुरुष समास। निर्देश प्रश्न 51 से 55 संधि विच्छेद चुनिए। व्यायाम D. वीप जमा आयाम. शयन. C. शे प्लस अन. सदाचार. C. सत जमा आचार. निर्गुण. A. नी जमा गुण. विषम. B. विष वी जमा सम. निर्देश. प्रश्न 56 से 60 सही अर्थ चुनिए. 56. नॉन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. ए. अनियत. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. डी. उप संक्षेप. अनेक्स्चर. सी. नथी. 59. अडेंडम. बी. जोड़ पत्र. 60. नेग्लिजेंस. बी. प्रमाण. निर्देश 61 प्रश्न से 65 वाक्य के लिए सही शब्द चुनिए. 61. ऊपर कहा गया. बी. उपयुक्त. ऊंचा पहाड़ी मैदान. सी. अधिक यका. पेट की आग. ए. जठरानल. जो सुन ना सके. डी. बधिर. बोलने में चतुर या निपुण. सी. वाचाल. 66 क्वेश्चन से हिमाचल जीके के क्वेश्चंस हैं. HP became a Part C state in which year? C. 1951. The Mandi conspiracy 1914 to 55 was carried out under the influence of which party? C. Gadar party. Which of the following was the first king of Jammu to make his way into Kangra and Chamba hills? D. Uday Singh. Number of Rajya Sabha seats in HP is B. 3. Total geographical area of HP is D. None of these. 55 673 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एरिया जो है वो हिमाचल प्रदेश का है. द फर्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ HP विधानसभा वॉज D. जयवंत राम. द स्टेट बर्ड ऑफ HP इज C. जुजू राना. सैंज रिवर इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ विच रिवर? C. ब्यास. In HP, the Lady of Kelong is very popular. C. Glacier. Khajiyar Lake is located in which district of HP? A. Chamba. Dolomitic limestone is found in which district of HP? A. Bilaspur. In HP, Mid-Himalayan Watershed Development Project was launched in which year? D. 2005. The Great Himalayan National Park is located in which district of HP? B. Kullu. HP Agriculture, Horticulture, Produce, Marketing Act was enforced in which year? A. 2005. In which of the following places in HP government sheep breeding farm is located? A. Sarol. Which of the following has least number of industrial units in the state? D. Kinnaur. Gaj Hydel project is built on which river in HP? D. Beas. Question 83. Which is the longest national highway in HP? A. NH3. In which year the Kalka Shimla Railway was included in the UNESCO World Heritage List? D. 2008. Lakshmana Devi Temple is located in which district of HP? C. Chamba. Demon dance is performed by the people of which district of HP? B. Kinnaur. Basua festival is celebrated in which district of HP? D. Kangra. HPPSC was established in which year? B. 1971. Which of the following districts of HP has the highest sex ratio? C. Hamirpur. JP University of Information Technology is located in which district of HP? D. Solan. Which Indian film has been shortlisted for the 91st Oscar in the documentary short subject category? D. Period end of sentence. Which state has become the India's first state to bring a law against sextortion? B. Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following objects is the most distant object ever spotted in our solar system? D. Far out. Which state government has launched Shiksha Setu app to ensure better connectivity with college students? A. Haryana. 95 क्वेश्चन करंट अफेयर के हैं, वो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. Question number 98. Lakshya Sen is related to which sport? A. Badminton. ये भी करंट अफेयर के क्वेश्चंस है. Which of the following district court will become the first in India to accept e-payment? B. Pune. Which state tourism of India has hosted the first ever Adventure Tex 18 in Asia? C. Madhya Pradesh. 101 भी करंट अफेयर का क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 106. Who became the head of Jain Church after the death of Mahavira? C. Sudha Raman. क्वेश्चन नंबर 107. ये हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस हैं. Who helped Ashoka in the war of succession against his brothers? C. Radha Gupta. Which ruler is represented as wearing trousers and long boots? A. Kanishka. The Chinese pilgrim who visited during Harsha reign was? A. Wehen Sang. Jorwa culture is associated with? C. Chalcolithic age. Which of the following Veda is partly a prose work? C. Yajur Veda. Which was not the principal item of export during the Sangam age? D. Glass. Navnitkam deals with? A. Medicine. The Khajuraho temples were built by which rulers? C. Chandelas. Which ruler was dubbed as the ill-starred idealist? A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who reinstated the Mughal emperor Shah Alam on the throne of Delhi? B. Mahadaji Sindhya. The later Mughal emperor Shah Alam II was actually known as B. Ali Gohar. The 7-year rule of missions, omissions and commissions was associated with? A. Lord Curzon. Who was not a no-changer in politics after the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement? A. Motilal Nehru. Who among the following established the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College at Aligarh? B. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Which of the following is the highest of all volcanic cones? D. Composed cone. Ionosphere, a part of thermosphere, extends up to? D. 640 km. Sunda Trench is situated in the? B. Indian Ocean. Which of the following soil is found in the flood-prone areas? C. Bog soil. Trans-Siberian railways cover a total distance of c. 9,332 km. The monetary unit of Laos is a kip. The capital of Vietnam is a Hanoi. The main economic activity of South Asia is b. agriculture. The Chhattisgarh plain is separated from Venganga Valley by a. Khairagarh Plateau. The Brahmaputra in Tibet is known as a Sangpo. In India, anticyclones occur during a. winters. Mangrove forests are found extensively in c. West Bengal. Koderma is the chief collecting center of d. mica. Diamond mines in India are located in b. Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following is the biggest oil refinery of India? A. Mathura. Gravitational force has b. infinite range. The unit of power is c. watt. Conduction can take place in a. solids. Which mirror is used as a shaving mirror? C. concave mirror. When a magnet is broken into two pieces, it acts as a c. magnet. The ionizing power is maximum of a. alpha rays. The natural satellite of Earth is c. moon. Baking soda is b. sodium bicarbonate. The ordinary table sugar is a form of c. sucrose. Marsh gas mainly contain a. methane. Which of the following is the largest source of antibiotic? B. Actinomyces. Which of the following is a flightless bird? C. emu. Which element plays an important role in blood clotting? C. calcium. Fats in the body are stored in d. adipose tissue. The sun rays contain d. vitamin D. Part 3 of Constitution of India relates to a. fundamental rights. A president ordinance can remain in force for d. 6 months. Who is called the guardian of public purse? B. Comptroller and Audit General. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? B. The Vice President. The Speaker's vote in the Lok Sabha is called a. casting vote. Which one of the following is not a parliamentary committee? D. Demand for Grants Committee. Who is the final authority to interpret the Constitution? D. The Supreme Court. The Chief Minister is appointed by the a. Governor. When was the Panchayati Raj system introduced in India? D. 1959. What is the minimum age prescribed in India for its citizens to cast their vote? B. 18 years. In India, agriculture income is calculated by a. output method. Which is the highest body that approves 5-year plans in the country? D. National Development Council. The most literate union territory in India is B. Lakshadweep. The highest gravity dam is C. Bhakra Dam. Which kind of power accounts for the largest share of power generation in India? B. Thermal power. Which type of unemployment is common in Indian agriculture? A. Seasonal. Midday meal scheme was started in which year? A. 1995. The Blue Revolution is related with a. fish production. Which organization is known as market regulator in India? C. SEBI. The head office of the SBI is located at D. Mumbai. अब हम क्वेश्चन 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 1 से जो है वो मैथमेटिक्स के क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन 1, 8988 divided by 4 is equal to D 280.875. Question 2, if 3/5 of 60% of a number is 36, the number is D 100. Question 3, which of the following fractions is the largest? A. 7/8. The average of the number 15, 5, 0, 12, 8 is A. 8. A number is as much greater than 22 as is less than 72. Then the number is A. 47. X is 36 years old and Y is 16 years. In how many years will X be twice as old as Y? D. 4 years. Question number 7. What is 25% of 25%? C. 0.0625. Which of the following is the lowest ratio? C. 7/15. 6 dozen eggs are bought for rupees 48. How much will 132 eggs cost? D. rupees 88. Question number 10. A works twice as fast as B. If both of them can together finish a piece of work in 12 days, then B alone can do it in how many days? C. 36 days. अब ये रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस हैं. फिल्म is equal to 10, then hotel is A. 12. Question number 12. Which of the following is the odd one? Home. A. home. City, town, village में से home जो है वो odd one है A. If Madras is coded as 517916 and tenant is coded as 432124, then how would you encode RMATSN? C. 951462. What will come in place of question mark in the following number series? 40, 30, 22, 16. Next one is B12. Question 15. The missing term in the letter series A, B, P, C, D, Q, E, F, R, question mark will be A, G, H, S. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.